What's up guys, we're back with the latest Samsung news. From the confirmed colors to the new 100% confirmed camera upgrade, we have a lot to discuss, but first, Samsung has finally pushed the limits even further. According to Ice Universe, the S Pen on Galaxy S22 Ultra will now have 2 millisecond delay, which is a huge upgrade over the 9 millisecond delay that we have on the S21 Ultra. The S Pen on Galaxy S22 Ultra will now quite literally feel like writing on a paper, which is absolutely crazy. This crazy 2 millisecond response time will ensure the best S Pen experience compared to any device that Samsung has released before. It seems like the display on the S22 Ultra is reaching some monster level gains, and not to forget, it will also be the brightest display on any smartphone ever. I am super excited. Also, we have a new camera upgrade that is 100% confirmed. There's been some confusion surrounding the improvement on the main camera of the S22 Ultra because on paper, it looks very similar to the S21 Ultra. We've got the same sensor size, same aperture, as well as the same pixel size, but today we got our first clue, or I should say the first upgrade of what Samsung's cooking to push its camera to the next level. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will enhance the 108 megapixel mode for even more detailed shots. The high resolution 108 megapixel mode, it's been there since Galaxy S20 Ultra. With each generation, Samsung has improved it, but I feel like it's not been utilized to its full potential. When you use this mode, it absolutely does make a difference compared to a normal 12 megapixel shot. You can clearly see the difference in terms of the detail when you really zoom in. The difference is more obvious when you're shooting in daylight compared to the low light situation where the sharpness kind of fades away. Hopefully, Samsung will find a way to enhance the details even in low light where it actually matters. And let's not forget, we also get brand new camera ISP thanks to the new Exynos 2200 AMD chip as well as the Snapdragon 898. And lastly, with this sensor, rumor says that Samsung will add sensor shift stabilization for the first time on the S22 Ultra for the best stabilization performance. We'll keep an eye on what more gains we'll see camera-wise on the S22 Ultra. Now moving on to the confirmed color listing via Ross Young, it seems like we have quite the colorful lineup for all Galaxy S22 models. So with the Galaxy S22/S22 Plus, we get black, green, pink, gold, and white colors, while the S22 Ultra will get that special dark red color. I gotta say, an impressive colorful lineup that we haven't seen, especially with the Ultra models in the past, so I'm really looking forward to that dark red color, especially with their collaboration with AMD. It kind of fits the theme. Also, according to Ross Young, full-blown mass production of all three phones will kick off from the first week of December. And speaking of mass production, Samsung will start producing its Galaxy Tab 8 in the mid-December and the OLED S8 Plus and S8 Ultra in late January. Based on this timeline, it seems like the Tab S8 series could actually be announced after the launch of the Galaxy S22 series. Once again, it seems like Samsung wants to make sure that the first Ultra flagship that they introduced in 2022 should be the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now for the final news of the day, it's also related to the S22 Ultra's display. According to Ice Universe, the curve on the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be less compared to the curve that we have seen on the Note 20 Ultra. It's definitely a good news for those who don't like super curved screens, and I'm kind of glad that Samsung didn't go towards the whole waterfall display path. Having a slight curve on the side is actually nice as it adds that premium touch as well as providing that bezel-less look. So that's all the latest leaks regarding the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung is pushing the limits of its display performance. I'm really excited to see that S Pen in action. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.